Welcome to Best Buy Report. The best lure making kit is probably one of the most exciting ways to personalize your fishing experience. Imagine crafting lures tailored to the specific fish you're after, saving money, and enjoying the satisfaction of catching fish with something you made yourself. This kit is perfect for both beginners and experienced anglers looking to add a personal touch to their tackle box and enhance their fishing success. Number 5. Dovesun DIY Spinner Making Kit. Want to experience the fun of making your own fishing lures? This kit allows you to design custom inline spinner baits. It's perfect for anglers who love DIY projects and enjoy the thrill of catching fish with lures they've created themselves. The kit includes golden propellers and colorful feathers. These components create flash, vibration, and rattling noise to attract fish. The high-carbon steel treble hooks are hidden within the feathers to increase hookup rates. This kit is ideal for both beginners and experienced fishermen. It's a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves fishing. Give the gift of creativity and the excitement of catching fish with handmade lures. This complete set includes 228 parts, all organized in a portable tackle box. It has everything you need to make up to 15 fishing lures. It's great for travel and fishing trips in all seasons. Step-by-step instructions and video tutorials guide you through the process. The tackle box keeps all the parts neat and ready to carry. Children should make the inline spinner under adult supervision. We provide instructions and videos to guide you. The kit comes with a storage box for easy organization. Remember to be careful with the sharp hooks. Enjoy the process of making spinners and have fun. What we like. This kit offers the ultimate DIY experience, allowing you to craft your own inline spinner baits. It features durable blades and vibrant components that attract fish effectively. If you're looking for a fun and creative way to personalize your fishing gear, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who enjoy the satisfaction of catching fish with handmade lures. What people say. He needed a little help at first but turned out to be quite simple to learn. Well made and great variety. Product is exactly as advertised, comes with everything to make 10 spinner baits. Hooks are sharp, the wire used is like any store-bought wire, it's very stiff. Once you bend it, it will stay. I opened the box and made this one in about 10 minutes. Comes with directions. This product, although not used as yet, appears to be quality and is easy to use. Number 4. DIY Fishing Lure Making Kit. Are you a fishing enthusiast? This kit is perfect for you. It allows you to create your own lures, customizing them to your exact needs. The kit includes a variety of components, such as spinner blades, hooks, wire shafts, and more. With all these parts, you can start making your own lures right away. The blades and bodies are made of copper and coated with lacquer, ensuring durability and resistance to rust. The included crimping tool makes the assembly process easy. The split rings allow for flexible hook rotation, and it's easy to replace the hooks. This design enhances the lure's action in the water. The holographic adhesive film creates a color-shifting effect under different light conditions. This feature makes your lures more attractive to fish. This kit is great for DIY anglers and crafts. You can use it to catch trout, bass, walleye, and many other species. Enjoy the fun of making your own lures. What we like. This kit uses premium materials, ensuring your lures are built to last. The flexible rotation of the hook enhances your chances of a successful catch. If you like the idea of creating unique, eye-catching lures with color-shifting effects, then this kit is designed for you. It's perfect for anglers who want to stand out and attract more fish with their custom creations. What people say. We made a few of them and they loved it. It was a great feeling when you catch your limit with a lure you built from a kit. The lures really are the real deal. Great product. Number 3. AGOOL DIY Fishing Lure Making Kit. This kit includes everything you need to create your own spinner baits. It comes with blades, hooks, shafts, clevises, lure bodies, and beads. With this, you can enjoy the fun of DIY. The spinner blades, lure bodies, and clevises are made of durable copper. They are coated with lacquer to prevent rust and ensure they can be reused. A stainless steel fishing plier is included for easy assembly. The copper blades spin and create noise and water marks when retrieved. This, combined with their reflective properties, attracts fish. It significantly increases your chances of a successful catch. This kit is perfect for catching bass, trout, perch, and even pike and salmon. It works great in freshwater environments like ponds, lakes, rivers, and reservoirs. It is also suitable for waters with weeds and grass. This kit is designed for fishing enthusiasts who love to create their own lures. Take this kit and start crafting your perfect lures. Enjoy the process and the satisfaction of catching fish with your own creations. What we like. The kit features outstanding quality components, including copper blades that create enticing noise and watermarks. It's designed to attract a variety of freshwater fish. If you are an avid angler looking for a reliable and effective kit to create your own spinners, this is the one. It's perfect for those who want to target bass, trout, and other freshwater species. What people say. These spinners work great for trout. It's fun to assemble them. This product is as claimed and is easy to use. Number 2. Dovesun 143 PCS Fishing Lures Making Kit. This kit includes 143 pieces of fishing accessories, perfect for crafting your own lures. It comes with everything you need, from wire shafts to hooks, all neatly organized in a divided box. Setting up the lures is simple. Just thread the spinner blade, add a bead and weight, then attach the hook. Wrap the wire with pliers to secure everything, and you're ready to fish with the lures you made. With this kit, you can build up to 20 finished lures. It's suitable for bass, crappie, trout, and more. It's a great way to save money and customize your fishing experience. The spinner blades and other components are made of high-quality copper and coated for durability. They are anti-corrosion and anti-rust, ensuring they can be reused for a long time. You can customize the lures to your liking. It's also a great way to teach kids about fishing. Remember to be careful with the hooks when children are involved. What we like. This kit is easy to set up, making it accessible for anglers of all skill levels. It's cost-effective, providing enough parts to build multiple lures. If you are looking for a simple and affordable way to get started with lure making, this is the perfect choice. It's great for those who want to enjoy the DIY experience without breaking the bank. What people say. He has enjoyed it very much. He enjoyed making his own lures. Everything is good. Quality is super. Number 1. Dr.Fish 13 10 Pieces Spinner Making Kit. This kit has everything you need to create your own lures. It includes a massive 13 10 pieces, with hooks, blades, and bodies. It's all packed neatly in a tackle box. Inside, you'll find 100 spinner blades in various styles and sizes. These blades are designed to attract fish with their flash and vibration. This allows you to customize your lures. This kit is perfect for making spinners and walleye rigs. It comes with rig floats, clevises, and octopus hooks. You can easily customize it with your own fishing line. The kit features high-quality materials for durability. It includes stainless steel shafts, high-carbon steel hooks, and brass lure bodies. These components ensure the longevity of your lures. The tackle box contains a comprehensive set of accessories. It includes spinner blades, fishing hooks, clevises, shafts, lure bodies, floats, and fishing beads. Refer to the image for detailed sizes. What we like. This kit offers a huge quantity of components, ensuring you have everything you need to create a wide variety of lures. It includes multiple styles of spinner blades and even allows you to make walleye rigs. If you have a passion for variety and want to experiment with different lure designs, this is the kit for you. It's perfect for anglers who want a comprehensive kit with a wide range of options. What people say. Works great for building walleye bottom bouncer rigs, everything you need plus some. He has fished many times with his lures that he's made with no issues and has most definitely caught fish each time. We made a few small spinners and a few extravagant, in her term pretty LOL, spinners and hit the water. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.